So this is how an individual business listings page looks like. As you can see on the sides, you have the advertisement tabs that you can switch on and off. Also, you can change the text or the link from the buttons and anything else. You have the two on the sides and three in content. At the top, you have the business listing name and also the category, then on the reviews which they have from Google, and it also links to the Google page, so you don't have any problems. You have an open close schedule tab where you can see their schedule live. This is based on your geolocation. The owner of the business can come on this page and claim their own listing. The next part is the featured image, which is a feature that no other directory offers, and it's also free. It's similar to Google Street View, but it's a free crowdsourced software. It doesn't work as well as Google, but as you can see, it's pretty darn good. So as you can see, the customers can exactly see the address. They can also play and pause it. So they recognize the street. It's very useful, almost as much as Google Street View. But we also provide a map so they can zoom in and check out exactly where the business is. So now you have also other stuff like quick actions, you have directions, phone numbers, websites, booking links. These will have to be available in your data file. Some are not available, so you can either edit it later on or the business owner can edit it and put in some stuff like that. If the business doesn't have a description, then the plugin does this placeholder automatically. You have stuff like specialties, business hours again, contact information, location directions. You have the map here, also their address again, and their availability if they are currently open or not. As you go down, you have the social media and online presence. You also have interlinking in the plugin where other similar businesses in the area are shown, and also you can view their details or just call them. And at last, you have customer reviews, new customers that basically can review the business on your directory directly. So they don't need to go to Google to do that. And this information is basically pulled only from your data file, and the whole business plugin and business listings page is built based on that data automatically. So after you have uploaded the data, this page is built completely automated and you don't have to do anything about it. Last and not least, you have here at the bottom the business owner login. So after a business owner claims a listing, which looks like this, they have to put in their full name, business email, phone number, and some proof of their ownership. They submit this claim, which then was be sent to your email. And after you review it and approve it, then they will get a link to create an account. And after that, they can log in here and view their own listing and edit it. And basically, it's put on automation, so you don't have to do anything. Another feature that every business listing has is schema markup, which is integrated automatically. As you can see, this is the link here, and it already detected that this is a roofing contractor, and you have all their details here. So it's more easy to the Google robots to figure out what this page is about. And also, if you go back in the URL, you can see all the elements here. So this is the business listing. Then if you go back, then this is the city, state, country, and the search page or the niche. Let's go back one step. So other directories basically just ignore these pages, but we haven't. As you can see, you have the breadcrumbs. You have different information about each city and how many roofing contractors are there and the top rated roofing contractors. So it's really a build page, which also has schema markup. And if we go back further on the URL, then we have the state page, which is also similar but different. This is not some spammy page that we just repeat all over again because it has real data. So Google views it as a very useful page. The next is the country page, as you can see, also built out very, very well. And then lastly, you have the search page again, which we already shown. And each of these have a schema markup and everything that you need to basically put your directory in front of your competition.